In this video we discuss on the 2-day market M1 time frame strategy. The strategy is that if the market make the double top pattern and found difficulty to cross this area, then you draw the Fibonacci retracement. You put the 0 side on the top of that and 100 is at the latest wave pattern formed. We put 98.25 level as a 100 level and 0 is from the top. Now the level 161 is showing the take profit limit 1 and the next level is showing is take profit limit 2. These are many trades we take in our real account. So now after some period of time, today in the market session, this happened on the M1 time frame. You look that the market in that scenario and in that scenario, this is the portrait picture. So now this picture is clear. Now all the take profit done at 98.07 and also the market is hitting the take profit limit 2, which is the level 261 Fibonacci retracement level. This strategy work on the double top pattern or when the market is trading outside any trend channel, either it is bullish or bearish. So this strategy work very well, and overall we share the profit. That in the next slide you will notice that our bigger trade give us the very good amount of profit, as our target is only take profit 1, so maximum trades close at that point, as the green bar is showing that take profit limit hit. So please take this strategy serious. Fibonacci retracement is very best and giving you very good amount of profit, and you will be a good trader if you follow the rules of support and resistance. Take care of you. We are with you and giving you free strategies on the daily basis. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and share this video as soon as possible. Like, comment and share.